welcome back to Tammy in the kitchen. Today I'll be making you guys some more chicken wings. Some honey garlic ones this time though. First up is I took my 12 chicken wings. I'm going to rinse them off. Once they're all rinsed off, I'm going to throw them onto my paper towel. Make sure they're nice and dry. It's a good thing just to pat them. Once they're all nice and dry, you're going to throw them into a bowl. You're going to take your olive oil and you're going to do about 2 tablespoons so they're well coated. You're going to take your table salt and you're going to do about 1/2 tablespoon. Honey. And you're going to do about 3 tablespoons. Make sure they're nice and coated. Also have some garlic, which I'm going to grate with my grater. And that is 2 garlic cloves. You're also going to add that. Then you're going to want to mix it all up. Wash your hands. Once it's all mixed, you're going to add it to your air fryer. Or if you don't have an air fryer, you can always bake it in the oven. Do that many for that right. Pop that in there, turn on the air fryer, and let that cook for about 35 minutes. Honey garlic wings are done. It's time to take them out. Perfectly crisp. They smell so good also. Put them on my plate. Here's a close-up view so you can see. Also goes great with ranch dressing. If you liked my video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.